it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Macy's going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide.
Let's go.
We went to Seal Bay. We come here to watch the seals, but it's already closed. We're going back. Going back. Yeah. Hey, beach. It's kind of windy. Yeah, windy. Whoa. Kind of windy right here. What? Yep, we're here at Vivon Bay, and it's a bit dirty because of all the waves and the seaweeds coming in today. But yeah, the beach is good, but it's kind of cold. So we're heading back to the car. We're just gonna eat some wedges. Yes, potato wedges. They're huge. There they are. It's really huge. Yep.
If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come.
Tanawa dito, Mig. Tanawa dito.
Hey, 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 we're heading towards the Remarkable Rocks. The formation over there. I'm gonna show you that one there. So yeah, we're heading out there, and then we're gonna take some shots for sunset. Oh, I love the haze. I'm gonna show it to you. So yeah, this is Remarkable's Rock. We're going around it. That's those that look like teeth over there, and that's a small rock over there. Just brighten up for you. Yeah, that's it. So we're going back here. Laura's here, and it's sunset now. I'm gonna try to take a photo later, but yeah, this is how it looked. It's already around 7 p.m. today because sunset's around 8:15, so we're here still at the park with the rest of the people. Gotta jump. And there's Laura. Hey guys, so sunset's here. Yeah, that's the sunset over there. So yeah, the light's so good, water's so nice. Nice to chill here as long as you don't, as long as you bring your jacket. So that's the cove. That's nice to look at. I don't know if it's gonna be blurry because my lens is a bit blurry, but yeah, we're here just chilling, waiting for the sun to go down. And it's a nice place. And by the way, to all y'all people out there, happy Valentine's. I just realized today's Valentine's Day. Yeah, I didn't really take note or anything, but yeah, happy Valentine's. Sun's coming down. I'm gonna take some photos now. So yeah, see you later. So it's getting cold out here, and as you can hear the wind, it's really howling right now. But I'm just gonna show you clear videos because I was so captivated by the place. I didn't take a lot of photos, I didn't take a lot of videos, but yeah, here's the place. And it's getting dark now, so I've got to hurry up. There's one of the rocks here. There's one of the rocks there. There are more rocks there. There are rocks everywhere, and look at that. And this side here, you see the sunset. Apparently there's a long cloud there, or like a line of clouds, so it covered the sun. So we were able to see the sunset by those mountains there. But I can see the what you call that, the lighthouse somewhere there. So I'm just gonna go around this rock. Yeah, going back to recording, this is the big rock here. And if you go 360, there are rocks over there. And there's this, what you call as, we call it the Gator Rock. I don't know, just want to call it that way. So the rock there. There's a lot of rock formations here. And yeah, they're remarkable. Check that out. It's a big one there. Cool, yeah. Just to give you a perspective of how big the rock is, this is how big the rock is. Check out that rock. Yeah, so the rocks are really big, just like my tummy. Yeah. Here's another rock which looked like a rhinoceros. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Let me just take a video of me going up there. So this is how big the rock is. Yeah. Need to go down there. So yeah, it's been a long day for us. Not all the stuff that we planned today was done because I didn't realize one of the beach there that we're planning to go to is an off-road, unpaved road beach. So if we're gonna go there with that rental, it might die on the way. And the guy, the visitor center, told me that the roads are not good these days, so I don't wanna do it. And yeah, I'm heading to the car right now. It's gonna be a 2-hour drive heading back to our hotel. I'm gonna take a break, try to upload this video tonight or tomorrow, and see you then. Yeah, I know, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. So yeah, have a good one, guys. I just can't resist. Although it's pretty scary if I lengthen my tripod and try to vlog, it's really tempting because this place is so nice and the light is nice, everything is nice, weather's good because I can wear shorts. It's a bit cold. Anyway, I need to stop vlogging now. I need to go to the car and get something to eat, or maybe yeah, I need to drive home first. But yeah, to all you guys out there, never stop exploring, never stop traveling, and share your travels to everyone, because what you might find out might be fun for others, and yeah, they might try to come here. So as for me, I'm panting. I haven't done any exercise yet, but yeah, it's a nice place to go to. I don't know what I'm talking about. I need to stop now. I'm tired. Is that a wallaby? Looks like a wallaby. It's really big. It just hid. Not really big. I just saw a cat. So what are the chances I came across a kitten here at the national park? And that's a small kangaroo. But yeah, I just saw a kitten. Yeah. There should be a cat somewhere around here, because that was a kitten. Yeah. I saw that one earlier. This one's
It's a baby cinnamon.
no, it's a possum.